Imagine a truck so powerful, it's been crowned the king of the road. A truck that once held the Guinness World Record, built to tackle some of the most colossal loads on Earth. Today, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the history, evolution, and engineering marvels behind the Nicolas Tractomas that changed the heavy-haul transportation industry forever. The story of the Nicolas Tractomas begins back in the 1970s. At that time, heavy-haul trucks were powered by engines with only 150 to 250 horsepower. For operators transporting massive, oversized loads over long distances, this simply wasn't enough. They needed something stronger, something capable of handling the job with ease. This is where Nicolas Industrie came into play. Based in Auxerre, France, the company was already known for producing heavy-duty trailers. But when they saw the market's demand for more powerful trucks, they took on the challenge. In 1979, they introduced their first models, the PH640OM 6X4 and the PH5030 GM 8X8. These trucks boasted engines with an impressive 415 horsepower and could tow loads up to 200 tons. Nicolas had created a game-changing solution that was both powerful and efficient. The Tractomas trucks quickly made an impact. The first units were sent to China and Tunisia, where they faced challenging terrain and rigorous demands. These early models were fitted with Mercedes engines and ZF gearboxes and came in 6x6 and 8x8 configurations. The cabins were sourced from other rugged trucks of the time, such as Willemy and Berliet, giving each early Tractomas a unique, heavy-duty appearance. As time passed, Berliet, one of the original cabin suppliers, became part of Renault trucks, which led to Renault Carex cabins being featured on later Tractomas models. This touch of Renault became a signature element, representing the truck's French heritage and industrial partnerships. As the Tractomas gained popularity, demand for these powerful machines spread across the globe. In the 1980s, the Saudi Arabian army placed an order for Tractomas trucks to transport tanks and other heavy military equipment. Fitted with a lowboy trailer and fifth-wheel configuration, these trucks were built to handle the heaviest of military loads across challenging desert landscapes. And it wasn't just military organizations that took notice. From the 1980s to the early 2000s, companies worldwide turned to Nicolas Industrie for their heavy-haul needs. Mining companies in Africa, industrial operators in China, and other heavy-haul specialists chose Tractomas trucks for their reliability, strength, and versatility. In 2004, the South African haulage company Rotran placed a large order for Tractomas trucks, with engines producing up to 750 horsepower. These trucks featured 8x8 and even 10x10 configurations, pushing the boundaries of road-going trucks and paving the way for what would become a world record achievement. Then came the year 2015, a landmark year for the Nicolas Tractomas. This is when Nicolas Industrie unveiled the TR10x10 D100, a truck so colossal that it set a Guinness World Record as the largest road truck ever built, weighing an incredible 71 tons. The TR10x10 D100 was engineered to tow some of the heaviest loads with ease and efficiency. But the TR10x10 D100 wasn't just about sheer size. Every element of this truck, from its drivetrain to its ballast system, was meticulously designed to handle the heaviest loads over long distances. This model was a true masterpiece of engineering, a truck that embodied the best of what the Tractomas line could achieve. With the TR10x10 D100, the Nicolas Tractomas earned a place in history as an icon of industrial strength and power. As the years went by, Nicolas Industrie continued to push the boundaries of what a heavy-haul truck could do. Between 2013 and 2016, they delivered the last generation of Tractomas trucks to clients in Australia. These trucks were intended for use in the demanding mining sector and came equipped with powerful 1,000 horsepower Caterpillar engines. With an 8x8 configuration, these trucks were capable of hauling weights up to 550 tons, an astonishing feat for any road-going truck. The final Tractomas units, delivered in 2016, represented the pinnacle of heavy-haul trucking. These last models featured a monstrous 1,150 horsepower engine, supported by an additional power booster dolly, to further increase towing capacity. They were designed to take on the most demanding jobs in mining and heavy industry. These last Tractomas trucks were a fitting end to the era, showcasing the peak of power, performance, and engineering expertise. Here's a fun fact about the Nicolas Tractomas. Ever wonder why these trucks have a Renault Kirax cabin? It's due to a unique history involving Berlia, one of the original cabin suppliers, which eventually became part of Renault trucks. This partnership became a signature feature of the Tractomas, blending history with engineering prowess. And here's something else that's interesting. In 1995, Nicolas Industrie was acquired by Transporter Industrie International, or TE, a German company specializing in heavy transport solutions. Under TI's wing, Nicolas worked alongside other heavy-haul brands like Schurl, K-Mag, and Tiger. Together, they formed a powerhouse in the heavy transport industry, bringing together some of the best minds in technology and heavy-haul engineering. The Nicolas Tractomas was more than just a truck. It was a revolution in heavy-haul transportation. From transporting tanks for the Saudi Arabian army to setting world records with the TR1010 D100, the Tractomas consistently proved itself as a leader in power, durability, and reliability. Over its production years, Nicolas built more than 300 units of the Tractomas, each contributing to a legacy that continues to inspire the heavy-haul industry today. This truck redefined what road trucks could achieve, setting new standards for performance and capability in the world of transport. The Tractoma showed the world what's possible when engineering meets ambition, creating a lasting impact that will be remembered in the world of heavy-haul trucking. So, what do you think of the Nicolas Tractomas? Could you see yourself behind the wheel of the world's largest road truck? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning about this incredible machine, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.